Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Hearing Assistant on your AirPods Pro 3. You have to start by Open Settings. Your headphones should be connected to your phone, and then you'll find Headphones line at the top in the settings. Tap at that line, and firstly, you need to take a hearing test. You can do this by click Take a Hearing Test at the Headphones menu, or you can click at the Hearing Assistant and click Take a Hearing Test here. I already did it, but if you don't know how to perform this test, you can check video at this channel. And I'm going to use a prior test result. Yes, no, and no. Continue. Then I select my result, click Next, and set up hearing aid. Get started. Next. Turn on. Done. And we just did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!